Fragrance of Ramadan, fragrance of Ramadan.
Dear viewers of Madani Channel, Laylatul Qadr falls on one of the odd nights of the last 10 days of Ramadan. Sometimes it falls even on the 30th night. There may be thousands of reasons for keeping this night a secret. And most certainly, one of the reasons that the Muslims will try to spend every night worshipping Allah Azza wa Jal in search of Laylatul Qadr. Many signs of Laylatul Qadr have been mentioned in ahadith, but it is not easy for everyone to see these signs. In fact, only men of insight can see them. Sometimes Allah Azza wa Jal shows these signs to His chosen people. One of the signs of Laylatul Qadr is that the salty ocean water turns sweet. And another sign is that everything in the universe except humans and jinn submits to the glory of Allah Azza wa Jal by prostrating, but not everyone sees it. Sayyidina Ubaid ibn Imran radiyallahu ta'ala anhu said, one night I was making wudu at the Red Sea. I tasted the water which was sweeter than even honey. I was extremely surprised. When I told Sayyidina Usman Ghani radiyallahu ta'ala anhu about it, he radiyallahu ta'ala anhu has said, O Ubaid radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, it would be Laylatul Qadr. He radiyallahu ta'ala anhu further said, whoever spends this night remembering Allah Azza wa Jal, it is as if he has worshipped for more than 1,000 months, and Allah Azza wa Jal will forgive all of his sins. May Allah Azza wa Jal have mercy on them and forgive us without accountability for their sake. The slave of Sayyidina Usman ibn Abil As radiyallahu ta'ala anhu once said to him, O Master radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, I've been a sailor for a long time. I've noticed a strange thing in the ocean water. What is it? He radiyallahu ta'ala anhu asked. The slave replied, O Master radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, every year there is a night in which the ocean water turns sweet. He radiyallahu ta'ala anhu said to his slave, be careful this year. Do tell me when the water turns sweet. On the 27th night of Ramadan, the slave said to Sayyidina Usman ibn Abil As radiyallahu anhu, O Master, the water has turned sweet tonight. May Allah Azza wa Jal have mercy on them and forgive us without accountability for their sake. Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam.